Hi, I'm Scott Moffitt. I'm one of the owners here in Tint World St. George. Today is our grand opening. Today's grand opening was a huge success. We appreciate everybody that came in and helped out with all the events that we had. We had radio from Coney supporting us. We had our Zumba ladies from Vasa Fitness with Bang It with Brooke helping out. We had the Down Syndrome Association here. We appreciate all the help and support that we had.
What was special for me about the grand opening today was that we got to show people more of the services that we offer other than just tint. We got to showcase some of our professional techs in the back who really do an amazing job. It's been really cool to hear customers come in from another shop and tell us how amazing that the showroom is, or how amazing that the shop is. That compared to other shops around town, they've really been impressed with the way we display ourselves here.
I've been in the community for about 18 years. I've done a lot of coaching with the rugby and football and soccer and just been with a lot of the youth. I want to give back to the community. So I'm here. I wanted to provide a service that we didn't really have and be able to help out in an area that we were kind of missing in St. George. I think that this is my opportunity to help and give back even more than in the future and be very involved in the community.
Tint World is a whole community. We offer a lot of different services, and that's the biggest thing that people should know about Tint World is we're not just tint. We offer all sorts of electronic services as well as detailing services and paint protection services. We'll do anything to help your car driving experience a little bit better.
So it's really fun when we see customers that come in and they look at us and they say, "Oh, you do more than just tint?" And then I get a chance to show them what we actually do, and they find out that we do audio and we do vehicle wraps and we do all sorts of accessories for Jeeps and boats, and it's just really fun to see their eyes open up like, wow, we don't really have anything like that. We have to drive all the way to Vegas.
I really appreciate everybody that came out today and helped us make this grand opening a huge success. We really look forward to being a part of this community and look forward to doing business with each and every one of you in the future.